Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. Let's do some basics of circles today. This is for class 9 and class 10. So let's define what is circle. So this is circle. So these all are the points. Circle is the combination of points only. These all are points only. But these all points are at equal distance from the center. So we can define circle as circle is the collection of points which are at equal distance from the center. So this is center O. Now if we join center to any point on the circle, see, this is called radius. So we define radius as radius is a line segment joining center to any point on the circle. So this is OA radius. So similarly we can draw infinitely many radii on the circle. See how many radii we can draw? Infinitely many radii, because on circle infinitely many points are there. So we can have many radii on the circle. So next is chord. So suppose this is circle. If we join any 2 points on the circle, we get chord. See here, this point and this point you join, we get a chord. This is a chord. So we can define chord as a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So this is chord. So similarly we have so many points on the circle, so we can have so many chords on the circle, because infinitely many points are there, so we can draw infinitely many chords on the circle. So one special chord is there which is going from the center. This is called diameter. So this is also chord but which passes through the center. We can call it as a diameter. So we can define diameter as a chord which is passing through the center is called diameter, and the diameter is the longest chord of a circle. We can have infinitely many diameters on the circle. So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So see, this is, if we draw a diameter, so diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. These both parts are called semicircle and semicircle. So next is, what is arc? So see, arc is the part of the circle. This is arc, this is part of the circle. So we can say this is minor arc and this is major arc. So we can define minor arc as an arc whose length is less than the semicircle. Semicircle is called minor arc, and an arc which is longer than the semicircle is major arc. So arcs are of three types: minor arc, major arc and semicircle. So minor arc is an arc which is less than the semicircle, and the major arc is an arc whose length is more than the length of the semicircle. So next is minor segment and major segment. So see here, if we draw a chord on the circle is divided into two parts. This is called minor segment and this is major segment. So we can define minor segment as area bounded by minor arc and corresponding chord is called minor segment, and area bounded by major arc and corresponding chord is called major segment. So next is major and minor sectors. So these are major and minor sectors. So this is minor sector and this is major sector. These both are areas only. So this is minor sector. We can define minor sector as the area bounded by two radii and minor arc is called minor sector, and area bounded by two radii and major arc is called major sector. So this way. So next is tangent to a circle. So see here, on circle so many points are there. So on each point we can draw a tangent. So what is tangent? Tangent is a line which intersect the circle at only one point. So here, so we have so many points, we have infinitely many points on the circle, so we can have infinitely many tangents on the circles. So at one point we can draw only one tangent, but on complete circle we can draw infinitely many tangents. So I define tangent as tangent is a line which intersect the circle at one point. So next is secant to a circle. So secant to a circle is a line which intersect the circle at 2 points. This is secant to a circle. So it intersects the circle at 2 points. Circle, this is circle. Circle divide the plane in 3 parts. This is interior of the circle, which is inside the circle, that is interior. So the area which is inside the circle is called interior of the circle, and the area or part of the plane which is outside the circle is called exterior of the circle. And this is on the circle. This is circle. So we have interior of the circle along with circle itself is called circular region. The circle and interior is circular region.